The today topic is full wave rectifier. By using full wave rectifier, we need to find the average value, RMS value, form factor, and peak factor. First of all, what is rectifier? Rectifier means the total AC power, the AC waveform is converted into DC waveform. That type of device is called as rectifier. Okay, AC is converted into DC. That type of device is called as rectifier. The rectifier consisting of number of parts, that is a different one. Okay, but in this I am giving you direct waveform of that rectifier, which is AC waveform, which is DC waveform. Okay, now see, in these two waveforms I am giving some time periods, and next which is input waveform in terms of current, which is output waveform. Okay, but some of the books are saying in terms of voltage, maybe in terms of current. Okay, no issue, both are same. Sir, what is the time period of this waveform? What is the time period of this waveform? Just you have to see here only, your output waveform is most important in this rectifier topic. What is the time period of the total DC waveform? This is called DC waveform, this is a AC waveform. Sir, simply the total time period T equal to pi for one cycle. The time period is 0 to pi is per one cycle. I am giving after completion of this total cycle, the same waveform will be repeated. Okay, that's why up to one cycle is enough in our half wave rectifier as well as full wave rectifier. This is the total time period. Now coming to on time period. What is the on time period? The on time period is for one cycle is 0 to pi only. We don't have any off time, but in our half wave rectifier we are having off time period as well as on time period. Okay, now what's the on time period? 0 to pi only up to one cycle. Now coming to average value of full wave rectifier. What is the alternating current formula for average value? I average equal to 1 by T integration of T1 to Tt f of T into Dt. Sir, this is the total time period and these are limitations of on time period. Next, standard equation of alternating quantity in terms of current. Already I mentioned here, that is what is capital T, what is the time period, on time period, and what is the standard equation. Just substitute all this equation in our alternating quantity formula of average value, that is 1 by pi integration of 0 to pi Im sin omega t into d omega t. Okay, now just take the constant in front of integration. Im by pi equal to 0 to pi sin omega t into omega t. Integration of sin is called minus cos omega t. Just substitute upper limit and lower limit in our cos omega t. Then we can get minus cos pi upper limit minus lower limit, minus cos pi minus of minus cos 0. Minus cos pi is called 1 and minus of minus plus cos 0 is called 1. Both are 1 1. Then we can get 2Vm by pi is the answer for 2Vm by pi is the answer for full wave rectifier to find the average value. Okay, simply I am writing 2 by 3.14. The total values will be 0.637 into Im. These both are same. Okay, the next one is RMS value of full wave rectifier. Now these RMS value is also called as effective value and virtual value. Okay, effective value and virtual value both are same. RMS value is also called as effective value as well as virtual value. Now what is standard equation of RMS value? Okay, under root of 1 by T integration of T1 to T2 f of t whole square into dt. F of t whole square into dt. For simplicity I am taking the root to that left side, then we can get IA RMS square. For simplicity purpose I am taking the root to the left side. Okay, let's continue and continue coach, no issue. Next, 1 by pi total time period, and what is the time period of on time period? What is the on time period of full wave? 0 to pi, and f of t whole square is called Im square into sin square omega t. Sin square omega t. Sir, actually the Im square will be constant. Take the constant in front of integration, then we can get this equation. Now what is the integration of sin square omega t? We don't have direct formula for integration of sin square. Simply the sin square omega t is converted into a simple trigonometry formula. By using this formula we can find 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. Okay, just 2 is multiplied with 2 pi, sorry pi, then we can get 2 pi. Next integration of, split the total two values, integration of 1, integration of cos 2 omega t. Then we can get integration of 1 omega t, 1 d omega t, integration of cos 2 omega t into d omega t. Now coming to just apply the limits of apply the integration of 1, integration of cos 2 omega t. Then we can get integration of cos d omega t is nothing but omega t, and integration of cos 2 omega t called sin 2 omega t by 2. Sin 2 omega t by 2. Just apply the limits of omega t to take the limits 0 to 2 pi for this one, and apply the limits of 0 to 2 pi to the sin 2 omega t by 2. If you are applying pi and upper limit as well as lower limit to the sin 2 omega t by 2, simply this total value is 0, because of sin 2 pi is called 0, sin 0 also 0. If you are applying upper limit and lower limit on sin 2 omega t, simply this total term is 0. Okay, the total term is 0. Now I am getting upper limit minus lower limit of omega t, then we can get pi. The pi cancel, the last answer is im square by 2. The im square by 2 is the answer of IRMS whole square. IRMS whole square equal to im square by 2. If you are taking root after removing the square, then we can get im by root 2 is the answer of IRMS. This answer is also called 0.707 into im. These two both answers are same for IRMS, for full wave rectifier, not half wave rectifier. Okay, now coming to form factor. What is form factor, sir? The form factor is represented with kf. It is a ratio of RMS value to the average value. RMS value to the average value. Now simply substitute RMS value as well as average value by using previous values, by using average value formula as well as RMS value. Then we can get 1.11 is the answer of form factor in full wave rectifier. Now coming to peak factor. Peak factor or crest factor, both are same. It is represented with Kp, K suffix P, and it is a ratio of maximum value to the RMS value. What is the maximum value? Im by RMS value 0.707 into Im. If Im cancel, then we can get 1 by 0.707. The answer will be 1.414. This is a total explanation of full wave rectifier.